Some of the experts say that you need to spend a lot of money, $2,000 plus, to put together a small studio and start a serious video channel. They're wrong. I'm doing the whole thing for under $200. I use a thrifted shadow box, a scrap bin tripod, and an old laptop running Chrome OS Flex. That's all I need in the shop. It's not pretty, but it is a versatile, shop-grade studio that will work for any genre. That's a $2 tablecloth. And using the free OpenShot software on my PC back in the office, the end result is a usable video where I can virtually be in my office, in the lobby, in a fantasy, or even in outer space. Combined with a $60 dedicated video camera with slow motion capabilities and night vision, I can make videos and document my work for a minimal investment. So if you're tired of overpaying for gear and just want to start making good videos, I've got a full parts list that I'm getting ready right now. And I'm documented all the tools that I use for making videos into a single guide. And I'm making that guide ridiculously inexpensive. If it's something you're interested in, comment guide to get the heads up when it drops. Thanks for listening.